Ayan, at gusto ni best friend?
Supply gives you very affordable price like Goodyear, Bridgestone, Gajatunga, Dunlop, Motorlight batteries, mobile lubricants, and automotive truck parts. Mobile motor oil help you go the distance time and time. Nothing works harder to keep your truck, van, or SUV running smooth as Tronic Auto Supply, your fastest and most reliable source of
The magic in your eyes, true love I can't deny. When you hold me, I just lose control. I want you to know all at once. I finally took a moment and I'm realizing that you're not coming back. And it finally hit me all at once. All at once. I started counting teardrops and at least you fell. My eyes began to swell, and all my dreams were shattered. Oh, ever since I met you, you're the only love I know, and I can't forget you, though I must face it all alone. And cry hard enough for you to hear me now. I'm gonna open my eyes and see for the first time. I let go of you like a child letting go of his kite. There it goes, up in the sky. There it goes, beyond the clouds, for no reason. Why? I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. I'm gonna look back in vain and see you standing there. And when all that remains is an empty chair, and now that you're gone, I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. There it goes, up in the sky. There it goes, beyond the clouds, for no reason. Why?
Masarap at affordable ang handa nila. Sulit ang everyday
3M. For inquiries, visit Goodyear Servitec Lawag, General Segundo Avenue, Bacara Road, Lawag City, or call 773-2227. Lawag Goodyear. Ay! Pasko!
puso ko'y ikaw lang ang mahalaga. Pilitin mang limutin ka ay hindi ko magagawa. Parang alipin mo ang isip at damdamin ko. Gusto kita pagkat ang kilos mo'y sadyang ibang-iba. Mahinhin at malambing pa, katangiang di mo sadya. Pag-ibig kong ito'y hindi na magbabago pa. Kahit sabihin na mali ako, alipin mo o bihag mo, ako'y iyong-iyo. Kung pag-ibig ng pag-uusapan, di ko na ililihim pa ang damdamin ko sa'yo. Sa akin ay gusto kita. Kahit sabihin na mali ako, alipin mo o bihag mo, ako'y iyong-iyo. Kung pag-ibig ng pag-uusapan, di ko na ililihim pa ang damdamin ko sa'yo. Sa akin ay gusto kita. Gusto kita pagkat ang kilos mo'y sadyang ibang-iba. Mahinhin at malambing pa, katangiang di mo sadya. Pag-ibig kong ito'y hindi na magbabago pa. Kahit sabihin ng ako, alipin mo.
Facebook account po, Dear IFM Lawag, or sa akin po, Gina V, IFM Lawag Best Friend. Ang masasabi ko lang po kay Gerson ay kung ganun na patuloy ka pa rin lumalaban sa relasyon ninyo pero wala na talagang pag-asa at nagpaalam na siya sa'yo at sa tingin mo naman ay wala ng pag-asa dahil meron na siyang iba, di ba? Huwag mo nang pagpiliin yung sarili mo na mahalin ka niya, di ba? Kasi ikaw lang din naman yung mahihirapan dito, best, di ba? Di ba? Mas maganda yung nagmamahal ka na hindi mo siya pinipilit. Mas maganda yung parehas kayong nagmamahal na dalawa. Maraming salamat. 6 to 9, magbabalik po ako, best friend, para po sa ating programang UNI sa IFM ang best friend mo, Supaya.
IFM ay aking best friend.
Gusto mo na makakatipid, makakamura at makakasulit sa pangarap na sasakyan? Sa Mitsubishi Ilocos ang punta mo. Nasa may Barangay 50 Butong Airport Road lang siya. Di lang yun, official 5-star repair shop pa sila na kayang gawin lahat ng mga brands sa sasakyan because of their high-tech and Class A facilities. At eto pa, bukod sa Class A facilities, their mechanics are trained by different brands here and abroad. Lahat ng yan sa affordable na presyo. At kung matipid, mura at sulit din lang, sa Mitsubishi Ilocos na lang.
For your facial and skincare needs, Veracruz Skin Facial and Body is now here in Lawag. It offers state-of-the-art services in providing treatment of diseases of the skin, scalp, hair, and nails, cosmetic dermatology with different lasers, cosmetic surgery, and cosmetic dentistry. Special treatments are autologous stem cell transfer, fillers, products, diode microdiode laser, Nd:YAG laser removal of colored tattoos, Traxel laser for scar removal, DR collagen for acne scar, varicose vein treatment, nose lift, face lift, blepharoplasty, veneer, tooth implants, and teeth whitening. At Veracruz, they do clinical facials that preserve whiter, rejuvenating skin because they treat face and skin according to the problem and need. Come and visit Veracruz for your wellness and your beauty works. Located at UCCP Building, Rizal Street, Lawag City. Call 771-5626 or call or text 0917-568-1562.
Now, Hotel Tiffany of Lawag has better things to offer for the weary traveler. A brownout-free environment for your constant comfort. A cable TV in every room for your entertainment. Rooms are equipped with hot or cold shower to refresh you anytime. Air conditioning is a standard feature for every room. A secured and spacious parking space is available at the rear for your peace of mind. Hotel Tiffany of Lawag. Easy on your budget, great for your comfort. Located at the heart of Lawag City, just a scroll away from the business and shopping district.
I've been saving my love all this time, 'cause I knew someday I would find the one that I've loved for so long in my mind. From the moment that I looked in your eyes, I saw the girl I've loved all my life. 'Cause I've been waiting for you all my life, for somebody who makes me feel the way I feel when I'm with you, baby. Have you been waiting too? 'Cause I've been waiting for you. Now that I found you, I just can't let you go. No, 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 no. Oh, there's just one thing I want you to know. Girl, I love you so. I've been waiting for you all my life. Waiting.
Is at free use of function room.
Okay yan. Tawag na ako sa 770-3551 para magpa-reserve.
770-3551. Tara, punta na lang tayo ngayon sa Hotel Tiffany Building, Bacara Road, General Segundo Avenue, Lawag City. Nagugutom na kasi ako.
Okay, basta treat mo.
Sige ba? Mura na, masarap pa sa Macy's Diner dahil laging bagong luto.
It's time to eat at Macy's Diner.
Hi, Ginabi po ito. Pagdating sa pagbili ng mga partes ng motor at bisikleta, sa SMR Motor Parts lang ako nagtitiwala. Bukod sa mura na, maganda pa ang kalidad at serbisyo ng SMR Motor Parts. Pwede ka rin bumili ng bike kahit anong size with free service at merong big discount kapag madami ang bibilhin mo. At heto pa, may MS Eatery din ang SMR Motor Parts na tiyak na magugustuhan mo ang special empanada nila for only 25 pesos. At kapag bumili ka ng 10, libre ang isang empanada. Meron ding pancit specialty, budget meal for only 35 pesos at pansit 10.5. SMR Motor Parts is located at Barangay 11, San Fernando, San Nicolas. Contact 781-3078. Opens from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Also, visit SMR Motor Parts main branch, Sinay, Ilocos Sur, beside Public Market, and RK Motor Parts, Ablan, Batac City. SMR Motor Parts.
Isuzu BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated is inviting the public to its 2017 fifth quarter caravan for Isuzu vehicles. Isuzu genuine parts and preventive maintenance services on October 16 to 21, 2017 at Casiano Petron Gas Station along National Highway, Barangay 16, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Available units for sale. The all-new 2017 Isuzu 3.0-liter and 2.5-liter Mu X SUV. 2017 Isuzu D-Max LS, LTX NLT, 2017 Isuzu Crosswind, and 2017 Isuzu Light Trucks and Heavy Trucks. Isuzu Parts and Service Caravan is brought to you by BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated.
Paano na to? Gustong-gusto ko mag-aral pero ayaw ko namang i-give up ang work ko. Palagi na lang ba ako maiipit sa sitwasyon na kailangan kong mamili? Anong pipiliin ko?
Tama ng drama. Dahil sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, hindi mo na kailangang mamili between work and schooling. Dahil dito sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, ang work at study mo ang aming #1 priority.
Totoo ba yan?
Tama, dahil ang Visa Trust International Incorporated, mapa-professional, Graduate ka man, basta 18 to 52 years old ka, ay siguradong pasok ka sa kanilang Study Work to Migrate program in New Zealand.
Interesado ako. Paano ba ito?
Punta ka lang sa 3rd floor, LC Square, JP Rizal Street, Barangay 9, Lawag City, near Dapayan, and look for Miss Anne. At para sa mga iba pang detalye, pwede kang mag-text or tumawag sa kanilang contact numbers 0906-338-6352 at 0998-188-0124. Visa Trust International Incorporated. Find options towards your dream.
Ito ang 99.5 IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Lawag City. 99.5 IFM, ang best friend mo. Ang best friend mo.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Baby, ang